Charlie here. Good morning, everyone. Today we are on a journey to catch more fish. I haven't been to this spot in a couple of months. Last time I was actually here, I got smoked. I got skunked. But the trip prior to that, though, caught a few fish, including a 42-pounder. So it's going to be a kind of gloomy, overcast day. Temperature around the 50s, upper 50s, I believe. And I'm using frozen shad as always. I do have a couple live goldfish and perch. Got me some night crawlers, try to catch me some fresh drum. So let's do this, y'all. Alright, everyone, we are at the first spot. I'm just going to be using 3 poles. Pretty much it's just a Santee rig. This one's one from my buddy Joe from Hooked Up Tackle. I got a double setup on that. That one's going to have some frozen shad and some buffalo that my buddy Romo gave me. And the other 2 are actually going to have some live baits here. And I got a few goldfish in there and a few perch. And actually one of the perch already bit the dust, it looks like. They both have. And they're going to have a pig float as well. What that's going to do is going to allow that live bait to stay up and be a bit more active. Alright, y'all, let's do this. Alright, about to cast this one on this point. Not overly big live bait, but try goldfish. Make sure she's moving around. Yep, here he is. Alright, let's chunk him in. Good spot. About to send it. This around all the way. Alright, y'all, it's time to get a bit more bloody and gory and bigger pieces. I'm gonna walk a little bit down the bank and chunk it out and then just bring it back. Trying to catch some drum as well, but they're being kind of finicky. Kind of opens up a bit. Alright, bigger bait. Right in the middle there. Alright, y'all, let's head on back. Yep. So I take a little lunch break. Alright, everyone, what I did, I went ahead and moved about 200 yards down the river just to try a separate spot since I'm not going to be here too long. So there's like a little choke point there, as you can see. So I'm hitting like both sides of it. I got one on the far side, one right at that choke point, and then I'm going to throw one in here. So let's give it a go, y'all. Catch some fish, y'all. Probably about 6 feet deep. It's definitely water's low. I've seen the water here up to where I'm standing before. But see if we catch some of these windfish. This little crappie rig, I'm gonna put this little sucker on there. See if we catch a nice little channel cat. Alright, y'all, gonna chunk this little sucker Let it swim around, see if anything happens. Let's go, y'all. Alright, y'all, I don't see the bobber anywhere. Let's see. I don't see the bobber with the live bait. Oh, what? That was weird. To the left, y'all. I know it's hard to tell, but the line's moving to the left. That's on the live goldfish. First fish of the day on the live goldfish is about 4 or 5 pounds. There is y'all, first one. Nice. Bye. Bye, sucker. Well, everyone, that is a wrap. I came for a little bit just so I could get out of the house. Caught one 5-pounder. Let him go. Pretty slow day. Tried to catch some drum. Unfortunately, they weren't having it today. So as always, y'all be safe. We'll see you on the water.